Today we are here to ask one simple question. Can ChatGPT predict the price of Solana for the month of April? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we play a game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency each month. Then the following month we take a look, see if they were right or see if they were wrong. Currently, I'm trying to figure out what other cryptos you guys might like to see included in the game, so let me know in the comment section below, and we might add those cryptos in going into next month. With that being said, let's get to the question. Hey ChatGPT, we are starting a new guessing game, and this time it is Solana. We are guessing the price of Sol for April 2026. Right now Sol is sitting at around $80. Look back at Sol's historical performance for April since it first launched. Has April usually been a positive or negative month for Solana? Give me 3 guesses for April 2026. A bullish guess, a bearish guess, and an official guess. Keep the ranges tight with close focused guesses. I want one exact price and a small range for each. No explanation needed, just hit me with the results. Alrighty, and we officially have our answer from ChatGPT, where it seems April has historically leaned positive for Solana. Now let's get to the guesses. The bullish guess, $98.40. Range, $95 to $102. The bearish guess, $72.60. Range, $70 to $75. The official guess, this is the guess that matters, this is the guess we are focusing on. $85.30, range $83 to $88. So there you have it guys, ChatGPT's official guess for Solana. Let me know in the comment section below where you think we'll end up. Do you think we're going to be in the official range, the bearish range, the bullish range, or somewhere else, maybe $25? Maybe $1,000? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm pretty interested to see where you guys have us landing. With that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment, take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you have a blessed day. Peace.
Future's here, no turning back. Digital coins in a virtual pack. Decentralized, we'll take the ride. No more chains, we're wild inside. Bitcoin